I'm Jess. Come and guess with me.
Wake up, the sun is shining and it's time to start the day. Who knows what we will find as we travel on our way? We're gonna guess, guess, guess. Guess with Jess, we're gonna guess, guess, guess. Guess with Jess, we're gonna put it to the test. Guess with Jess, we're gonna try our best. And guess with Jess.
How can we make a boat? Hello. That was a yummy breakfast. You're just in time. I'm playing with one of my friends today. He's green, he's got big flappy feet, and he's a brilliant swimmer. Guess who it is? Horace! That's right. Come on.
Do-do-we-do. Boo-boo-boo-wee-woo-boo. Jess is coming to play today. What are we going to do?
I don't know, Horace. What are we going to do?
Hey, you're here already. Let me see. We could do diving. Whoop-de-whoop.
Horace?
Or maybe just a gentle swim.
The thing is, Horace, I don't like getting wet. Remember?
Oh, silly me.
Instead of getting in the water, could we play with something on the water? Like a boat.
I'd like that. We can have a boat race. So, where do we find a boat, huh?
We can always make one.
Of course we can. But how?
How can we make a boat? Hey, that's the big question. Ask a Lotta, ask a Lotta, ask a Lotta, ask a Lotta.
Ask it, test it, find a way.
Guess with Jess.
Come on, let's play. What's the question here today?
How can we make a boat?
The first thing you should do is get some help from someone who's good at making things.
Hey, I know who. She's pink and fluffy, and she lives in a hutch. Can you guess who that would be? Is it Willow, Bar, or Mimi? Mimi, you're right. Well done. Stay right there, Horace. I'll be back.
A boat? Oh, I can just imagine how much fun you'd have playing with your boats on the pond, Jess. And you could be a sailor cat.
Yes, I can't wait.
Now, let me see. Paintbrush, marble, feathers.
Hey, you two. Do you want to play on Horace's pond with the boat?
A boat! I love boats! Oh, no! Tickle me with the feather.
Oh, no! It's floating away. Phew.
Now we can help you look for a boat, Jess.
We're not going to look for one. We're going to make one.
Wow, what can we make it from? I'm just looking now. Well,
You got an idea. Meet you at the pond, Jess. Okay, puppies.
Brilliant! I don't think any of this stuff would make an actual boat, Jess. Hey, I could use this to make you a sailor's hat, so you could be a sailor cat.
Wow, fantastic. But I still really need a boat.
Well, what do we know about boats?
I know. Boats float.
So you need to make your boat out of something that floats.
You're right. Let's go back to the pond and test out what'll float and what won't. So you see, Horace, we have to find something that floats.
Of course we do.
Maybe this big stone will float. Let's give it a try.
No! Went straight to the bottom.
That's no good for a boat.
Hey, Jess. You know, we said we had an idea. Well, this is it.
Hey, wait a minute.
Down she goes.
My saucer!
My pond?
Sorry, Horace.
We thought it would float.
Whoop-de-whoop!
Well done, Horace.
That's one heavy saucer you've got there, Jess. Phew!
Do you know what? I think those things were too heavy to float. Maybe we need light things.
Light things.
We saw something like getting blown away by the wind today. Can you remember what it was? A feather, a marble, or a paintbrush? A feather, yes! Well done!
Yes!
I'll go and find that feather. Joey, Jinx, can you find some other light things to try? We'll meet back here, okay?
Okay.
Can't wait. Woohoo!
A sailor's hat for a sailor cat. What could be better than a hat like that?
I've got the feather. And I've got another light thing. It's a leaf.
And this flower is a light thing too.
Let's test them out. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, look! They're floating.
Yes!
Wow,
They're floating. The light things are floating.
Whoop-de-whoop!
The problem is...
Problem? What problem? We found things that float.
Yes, but none of them actually looks like a boat that we can play with.
You're right there, Jess.
No, nothing like a boat.
Not boat-shaped at all. Oh, we must be able to find a boat.
A sailor's hat for a sailor cat. What could be better than a hat like that?
There! Wow, that's so pretty. Thanks, Mimi. It's great. I feel like a real sailor now.
All you need now is a boat, Jess.
Yes. All I need is... Oh, my hat! No! Wait a minute. Look, everyone. What does my floating hat look like?
A floating hat.
A hat that floats? What do you think? Does my hat look like a kite, a trolley, or a boat? A boat! It looks like a boat!
Wow!
Mimi, you made us a boat without even meaning to.
I did, didn't I?
It's shaped like a boat and it floats like a boat. We've done it! We've made a boat!
Yay!
And we've answered the question. Yippity-yay, yippity-yay, yippity-yay! Hooray!
Hey, hey, yippity-yay! We found the answer with Jess today. We followed the clues, we put it to the test. We tried our best and then we guessed. Sing it! Hey, hey, yippity-yay! Here's the answer, shout hooray!
We made a paper boat because it's light and it floats. You can make a paper boat too. You can even float it at bath time. Thanks, Mimi. Come and help me answer another question soon. Bye.
Whoop, whoop.